Like I said, it is a 4K monitor. It has 4 gigs of RAM built in with 32 gigabytes of storage. Now, this is kind of on the lower end. If this was something that was just in a standalone tablet, this is not, anything special when it comes to specs, except for that 4K display. But it also has Wi-Fi 6, so if you don't want to use the Ethernet port, which I prefer to use, it does have Wi-Fi 6, which is super solid. And it has a Cortex A55 processor, which again, isn't anything super fast, but on a display like this, for what you're going to use it for, which again, I mainly use it for sketching, and utilizing some different apps. But if you're a teacher or somebody that's in a business needing it for a conference room, it's going to check off a lot more boxes than what I probably know this thing can do. And it's different having something that's not just a TV or a normal PC monitor. It is definitely a lot more than that. And I've never actually used or seen a 55-inch Android tablet, which is essentially what this is. And it's just kind of cool to have all of that tech right there in front of you. I'm one that spends a lot of time at my desk. That's why I feel like the investment for something like this was worth it. I mean, it's definitely not going to be worth it for everybody,